Hello, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and I'm delighted to show you around this Nissan Juke 1.6 N-Connecta XTRON, finished in a metallic grey and powered by 1.6 liter petrol engine, delivering 170 PS. This automatic model is tailored for smooth city cruising and everyday comfort. This Juke is instantly recognizable thanks to its bold front end styling, signature LED daytime running lights and sculpted bumper, and a body-colored door mirrors with LED indicators, as well as automatic headlights, bring both form and function. The 17-inch sport alloy wheels provide excellent grip and ride comfort too. Around the back, privacy glass and integrated rear spoiler contribute to the sleek design, while the color reversing camera is cleverly integrated above the tailgate. With boot featuring flexi board for added versatility and 60/40 split folding rear seats, the Juke adapts effortlessly to luggage shopping or weekend travel. Rear passengers benefit from free adjustable headrest trains, ISOFIX points, electric windows and bottle holders in the door cards. The front cabin features height adjustable driver's seat and front armrests for that added comfort, leather trimmed steering wheel and gear knob, chrome interior door handles and intuitive switch gear ensure a premium and user-friendly interior. The leather steering wheel features Audio phone controls at your fingertips. Behind it, a drive computer provides temperature, trip data and gear shift indicator. Automatic climate control with a Pollen filter keeps the cabin fresh and comfortable even when traffic is anything but. And the infotainment system offers radio, CD and aux, including 6-speaker system and internet radio for clear immersive sound. You also get Bluetooth integration for safe hands-free calls, info menu to access useful trip data, temperature and vehicle information, Eco Score which helps you monitor and improve driving efficiency, as well as built-in NissanConnect navigation with up-to-date routing and reversing camera in color for easy parking in tight city spaces. This has been a presentation of Nissan Juke 1.6 N-Connecta XTRON. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give our team a call today.